I didn't even finish it. Preno, Jeff! Preno! Puta, overshoot! Hindi po preno, puta! Yo, what is up, what is up, what is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. Mukhang mabilis-bilis yung interval ng upload natin ngayon ibig sabihin, medyo gumaganda-ganda ang panahon. So, mainit pero tolerable na, kaya na. Nagkataon din na walang pickleball tonight. So, ride tayo tonight, guys. On the way tayo kala Mike Bomac ngayon. Doon kami makikita-kita ni Mike Bomac, ni Kuya Jody, and then ride tayo papunta kanila Pogi. Susunduin natin si Pogi ngayon doon sa kanila kasi parang may inaantay siyang tao ata. So para makasibat na, so kita na lang kami kila Mike Bomac muna, tapos kami lahat punta kayo doon kila Pogi. So hindi ko lang kung sino lalabas ngayon, parang 4 lang ata ang ngayon. Merong inibitahan si Bomac na mag-ride, hindi ko lang kung sino. Feeling ko katrabaho namin, so hindi ko lang alam kung sino. So nilagyan natin ng dead cat tong mic natin. Sana ma-improve yung wind noise kasi medyo nakaka-irita yung wind noise niya. Nung huling vlog pala natin, nakalimutan kong isara yung vent dito sa harap, kaya talaga medyo noticeable yung wind noise niya. So ngayon nakasara na yung vent, tapos nilagyan natin ng dead cat. So testing tayo ng old ng mic natin tonight. Sana mas okay na yung wind noise niya. Kumusta kayo dyan, guys? Kumusta kayo? Sana safe ang lahat, no, doon sa nahuling bagyo. Sana yung mga motor nyo ay safe din. Sa tito ko, bale sa Las Piñas, pinasok na yung mga scooter, pinasok sa loob ng bahay kasi bihira umabot dun sa kumbaga dun sa step papasok ng bahay, nandun na yung tubig, and bihira mangyari yun. Ngayon, taga Las Piñas yun, guys. So yung mga taga Las Piñas nating kaibigan dyan, sana safe yung mga motor nyo. Sobrang bilis daw talong akit ng tubig talaga. So yung dalawang big bike doon sa may bukanan ng pinto, yung tatlong scooter pinasok sa loob ng bahay. Mabuti hindi naman inabot. Safe naman lahat ng motor. Safe din sila lahat. Yun ang pinaka-importante. Wala kaming pickleball tonight kasi mahangin na naman. Kaya sabi namin bukas na lang. Bukas naman yung pickleball namin, first time namin magta-try ng indoor court na pickleball. Kasi nga medyo pababa yung weather next week, so merong hangin talagang paparating. Yun yung magdadala ng konting lamig dito sa amin. Usually pinaglalaro namin na pickleball is outdoor. Ngayon pag mahangin, tulad nga nung sabi ko nung huling vlog, hindi rin okay maglaro ng pickleball pag mahangin. Bukas nag-rent tayo ng indoor court, so doon tayo maglalaro 2 hours. So far 6 players pa lang kami. Ngayon 8 players pwede. Sana makumpleto namin yung 8 para hindi naman masyadong pagod. Shoutout nga pala kay Brother Amor Solo. Brad, simulan mo na yung vlog mo. Ulit na, magpa-vlog na yan, guys. Abangan natin yung channel niya. May testing na siya ng mic setup, ng camera. So good luck, simulan mo lang. Yun lang kailangan. Pag sinimulan mo, tuloy-tuloy, huwag mo kami gagayahin. Tumitigil. Alright, kita-kits tayo mamaya doon ka na Mike Bomac. Let's go. Yun, sama natin sila Mike Bomac. Si Jeff.
Are we all here?
Si Jeff pala yung kasama natin. Ito yung nagtuturo.
Just the three of us.
Ito yung nagtuturo sa akin sa pickleball.
Alright, you guys ready?
What are we gonna take? Buffalo? Smoke Ranch Buffalo?
Yeah.
Okay, go, go, go. Yes, sir. Get up.
Yo, what's up, guys? We are back.
Oh, pickleball tonight.
And we got a new one.
Yeah, we got a new one. The guy that's playing pickleball is now riding with us.
Soon to be a Vespa rider.
Soon to be. Hey! Sige, get! Yan! There you go.
Ayaw mo ba?
Ayaw pa. Both brakes gamitin mo, bro.
Both?
Tapos relax mo lang yung ano mo, huwag mong tumuntingasan, relax lang. Mamintindi yung likod mo, kayong bara sa likod mo. Okay, go. Okay, upak.
Ay, upak.
Okay, si Jeff.
Si Jeff. Kala ko ako. It's done, fucking.
So the bed, the mattress fell off? Holy shit.
Shit.
Good thing we're not there yet. When it happened. Huwag kang matakot na birahin, hindi ka tatapon yan. Huwag kang matakot, igas. Yeah. Oh. There you go. Damn, I'm behind the beaver. It's fucking loud again. It's been a while. Hell yeah, we're hitting 40s, baby. Huwag ka matakot, tigas. Hindi kayo tatapon yan. Tapos relax mo yung ano mo, relax mo to. Huwag mo labanan. Sarap yan.
Mabait yan si Beaver.
Ligo mo. Relax lang. Tagina. Okay. Send it. Signal mic.
Thank you. Di na sanay kong butong eh.
It's been a while. No, not really. When was the last time you rode? 2 weeks ago? Was that 2 weeks ago or a week ago?
May vlog 2 weeks ago, I think.
Yeah. We're heading to Pogi. Is he home?
Gonna do a kidnap. I think he's home now.
Okay.
I told him we're coming to him.
Alright. Nagpaalam ba sa asawa to? Did he ask permission?
That I don't know.
I thought you gonna
ask him. I asked him if he wants to go riding. He said, "What time?" I said 8:30. 8:25. He was in the house.
I thought you gonna go pickleball. I thought at first it was Abe or JD. I didn't expect it was Jeff.
It's Jeffrey, man.
Tara, Jeff. Relax ka lang. Umitindi niya likod mo masyado. Ako ang bahala sa likod mo. Yeah, puta boy. Bilis na, Brad. He's getting faster. I think he's good with the 150 for now.
Yeah. Plus, that thing is slower, man.
Yeah.
Oh, he looks kind of scared.
He's kind of scared. He's like trying to scan around. I told him just don't worry about it. I got his back. There you go. Medyo relax na yung katawan niya. There you go. Oh, you haven't changed your seats yet?
I'm still on the same one. Too hot to work in the garage right now. Yeah.
Well, it's only 2 bolts. You want me to do it for you? That I can do. I know how to do that. Good evening, neighbors.
Watch out for water. Water.
All the way. There you go.
It's Jeff.
We're here at Pogi.
What's up, folks?
What's going on?
Where we going?
Oh, you got the lift, bro?
Saturday night. Vespa night.
We're with Pogi now. Folks, we're staying in the back.
It's been a long time.
This is what you get. We don't play pickleball. We ride Vespas.
Yeah, we pick one or the other. Next time we're gonna bring the paddles inside the Vespa.
And we search for courts and then play.
Challenger court. You want the challenger court?
Damn.
Wait, we're gonna look for pickleball courts? So which one we're gonna look for? By Red Rock?
Yeah, let's go up first.
Okay.
This is another boodle in the making.
We keep going straight, folks, or what?
Where?
I don't know. Do we keep going straight?
Just keep going
Yeah,
straight.
we can go straight.
Go straight.
If we're going to Red Rock, we go straight.
Okay.
Change helmet si Jeff, oh. Alright.
What's that, dude?
Be nice.
Okay? Yeah, he's smiling now.
Are you good now?
Time check, it's 9:50.
Yeah, it's already 10 o'clock.
93 degrees.
Oh, 93 degrees right now? Next week this is gonna be high 93s. Oh, may naka-scooter din, oh. Is he drinking water with a closed helmet? Damn,
Hey,
bro.
that's got some skill. He's drinking water on a full face.
Even the visor is closed too.
The visor's closed?
No, I'm just kidding.
What they dying?
That's too much talent, folks.
Seriously, folks?
What's that, folks? A Zuma? Is that a Zuma?
I don't know. It was like a,
Or a-
called a Navi?
or a-
Honda Navi thing?
Or a Chuma? A Chinese Zuma, Chuma.
Making a left. Are you gonna pass by inside the downtown Summerlin, Pippin?
I thought that's where you want to go.
Sure,
Wanna
whatever,
go
man.
first?
Take us where you wanna take us.
But there's no Coca-Cola there.
GS, brother.
Good evening, downtown Summerlin.
Hey, brother.
He's not.
Hi.
Hola.
Downtown Summerlin.
There you go.
Don't stop, Oggy. Keep going.
Which way?
I don't know,
Right.
whatever. Take us to Red Rock. We're gonna go past by the park, and there's a fucking popo. There's a lot of popo.
Just wave to them. We're good.
Take me out on the ballpark. Go to that Chevron before Red Rock.
So we're going to the left.
Left.
Then we go left. We go left
Yeah, we go left.
on Charleston. That's where we're gonna drink our Coca-Colas. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. He didn't even question it. He just said, okay.
Go all the way left. It's 2 lanes. All the way left.
2 lanes, folks. Go.
Going.
Green.
Hey, everybody go in one lane.
Ooh, Jeffrey. Si Bomac naghanap ng nagkikrate ng malamig na malamig.
Get the Coca-Cola.
Malamig na Coca-Cola.
Coca.
Wanna go on that Coke, huh?
Punta tayo dito sa gas station
Giving some Coca-Cola in
para
the city.
uminom ng
To the
Coca-Cola.
left, park to the left.
Yeah, boy.
What's
Alright.
up, bro? You like it?
Okay na. Sige. Yeah. Usually, pag sa Vespa, mas safe ang ang center stand. Lalo pag uneven, hapakan mo lang to. Yeah. Mas safe siya pagka ganyan. Lalo pag uneven. Yeah. Tapos same sa mountain bike. Look ahead. Huwag ka tumingin sa baba. Look where you wanna go. Ganun din. Same concept. So hanap tayo ng pickleball court. Dito sa area.
Sa rich area, bro. The richest area.
The richest area? Dito kami sa sa side ng Ayala Alabang.
You didn't understand.
I didn't even finish it. Preno, Jeff. Preno. Puta, overshoot.
Bakit?
Hindi po preno, puta. God damn.
Alta. Ah.
The search
Yeah,
for
make a left here.
the
Make a
search
left
for
here.
pickleball.
Okay.
And then we'll make another left after this.
Nagkakawalaan pa, guys.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Hanap tayo ng iba paglalaroan kasi yung ipaglalaro namin masyadong
it should
busy.
be on our right by the time we get down Charlton. Roman, don't forget we got a 150 behind us.
Why is it 45?
It's okay. You can catch up sooner or later.
Don't worry, I got him.
Where's this? Is this Charleston?
Yeah.
Oh, we should have made a right. Can we make a
U-turn.
U-turn?
Yeah,
we'll
make a U-turn.
Oh, I know this place now.
All you gotta do is just go straight, right?
No, we're gonna make a left.
Ingay nung beaver ni Bomac po.
Oh,
Just
Yeah.
go, just go. Go, go, go.
Get it! Yeah! Go! You're like, what?
this is the park. You see, there's a soccer field on the right, but I think it's already closed.
Let's ask the security. Is there a pickleball court here?
That's what I was just about to do.
There's a pickup ball here, right? And oh, until what time are they open? No, until what time do they close? Copy. Okay, copy. Thank you.
What time?
No, the light turns off at 10.
10 o'clock.
Yeah, 10 p.m. Yeah.
I see.
But this
Thank
is
you.
the place.
Let's go to the overlook. Where you guys wanna go?
Hanap tayo na pinakamataas na parte dito para tumambay. Tingnan natin. Mukhang wala pang ano dito, dinedevelop pa lang.
Is this the highest point?
I guess.
Yep.
I mean, I can see the view from behind, so.
What the fuck?
I
Yeah,
sure
you-
do there.
Look at the view.
Careful, there's gravel.
Yan ang view, guys. Kita niyo ang view? That's the view. Tambay-tambay. Alright. Ganda ng view, oh. Tapos walang tao dito, kami lang.
Op.
Alright. Let's go, let's go.
Ano mo na lang
What's up, Jeff?
What's up?
Vespa Virgin.
Yep.
Ayos, enjoy.
Broke my chair. Yeah,
Enjoy?
enjoy.
First time
Thank you,
mag-ride, guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Courtesy
Salamat,
of Mike Bomac with the Bieber. What's up, folks?
What's up?
Yeah, it's a little dark here, but
What dark? You got
These
the Ace Pro
nuts?
this side. You got the Ace Pro. What's up?
uh-oh.
To go home, time to sleep.
Uh-oh.
What's that?
Uh-oh.
What's up?
What's up?
Tambay muna tayo dito, palamig konti. And then, makauwi na. Pag-ride din, guys, ang sarap. Nakakamiss. Pero next week, pababa na rin yung, pababa na yung weather next week. So, okay na to. Dalas na ating ride ulit. Alright, let's go. Alright.
Ito big to ang Vespa, maniwala kasi hindi big siya sa
Uwi na tayo, guys.
Indonesia.
Time check, I think it's 11:50. So, pasok pa bukas.
But
Uwi na
all
tayo.
of them, majority of the Vespa in
Tambay
Taiwan,
lang dito,
Asia,
palamig. Tapos yun
is
nga,
this body.
first
That's why I
ano,
bought. So,
first
actually,
ride ni Jeff. So, nag-enjoy naman siya. So, mukhang uulit pa to.
maganda na siya kasi
Let's go. Go ahead, Pogi. Palamig.
Alright, I'm gonna turn right over here, guys.
okay.
You guys have a good night, alright? Ride safe.
All right, brother.
Later,
Text us when you
Pogi.
get home.
See you guys tomorrow.
Yeah.
See ya.
All right. Get home
Pickleball.
safe. Hey, make sure you text.
Bring all the
Text.
paddles.
Pickleball tomorrow.
Yeah.
Bye, brother.
Bye.
Later.
Be safe. I'll wait for your text.
Later, Kuya Jody.
Bye, bro.
See you tomorrow on the
You guys
court.
get home safe.
Yes, sir.
Make sure you text when you get home.
Yes, sir.
See you at the courts, bruh.
Oh
Yes,
man,
sir.
you're gonna be off all day and then play pickle. Man, must be nice.
Yeah. Bye.
Later. Pwede tayo mag-Tagalog. Putang ina. Pwede tayo mag-Tagalog.
Pero hindi natin naririnig yung mga react ni Jeff, no? Wala siyang
Ayun o. Bale.
Ba't Jeff?
Ayos siya sa sunod. Baka naman nag-enjoy siya. Actually nung una, medyo stiff na stiff. Tapos yung mata niya, di ba? Nung wala pa siyang nagre-reklamo. Nung nagka-helmet na ng may visor, buta nakangiti na siya. It's fun. Nung una talaga, puta 30, ayaw nang bumilis eh.
Ganda na lang siya.
Agad na lang siya nung una eh. Upak, Jeff! Upak!
Okay din yung ano yun, pag kami kasama ng beginner eh.
Kasi chill ride lang tayo eh.
Ito pala ang tunay na chill ride.
Ito ang tunay na chill ride. Ito yung walang boot. Ito yung walang boot.
Hihila ako na makita mag-50 ka. Ito nakatipid tayo gasolina.
Ano? Walang upak eh.
Kahit yung mga pistol, tataka siguro, what the fuck is wrong?
Okay lang kayo. Lalo na si Bieber. Sabi ni Bieber, puta may mali ah. Bakit ka tatakbo natin?
Hindi siya pag-aaral.
Hindi siya sumisigaw eh. Alright boys. Alright Jeff.
Thank you.
Ingat Brad. Bukas. Oy, malubak.
Ako na kay Jeff.
May lubak.
Ako
Yeah.
na kay Jeff dito.
Yan. Gay. Ingat.
Okay.
Group connection lost.
Alright. Uwi on time na. Time check. It's 12:04 AM. May pasok pa kami ni Mike Bomac bukas. Pero excited kami kasi bukas makakatry kami ng indoor court ng pickleball. First time namin susubok ng indoor court. Yun. Try nyo guys, pickleball, okay din siya talaga. Yung mga nakakalaro namin dito or nakikita namin sa courts, at least pinakamatanda siguro nakita ko naglalaro, at least 70s yun. Nakatayo lang, palo, at least pinapawisan. Astig din, okay din siya. I mean, by no means hindi kami magaling, pero nag-e-enjoy kami kasi siguro ito yung isa sa mga bagay na kaming mag-asawa ginagawa namin pareho na gusto namin. Yung walang pilitan, yung isang yaya lang ng pickleball, sige game. Hindi tulad minsan kasi sa ride, tara ride tayo minsan. Putsa pag sa pickleball, minsan una pa magising ang asawa ko. Tara laro tayo pickleball. Kaya okay din siyang banding. Kaya na minsan pagdating sa court, syempre minsan nagkakainisan din kayo, which is normal, di ba? Pero ayos lang din. Alright guys, uwi on time na.
Alright guys, so nabusan naman tayo ng batteries. Nandito tayo sa bahay, safe and sound. So again, maraming salamat sa lahat ng ating bagong subscribers. Welcome to our channel. Sa mga hindi umaalis, nag-aabang ng ating video, maraming salamat sa inyo. Alright, until the next one guys, ingat kayo dyan and enjoy. Let's go.